Okay, so now we're at 80 beats a minute for the low second finger. So I said I would do another slurring exercise, so how about we try 4 notes per bow? That means, of course, the first couple of bars are just going to be separated, but then we are going to do 2 bars to one bow, but we're at 80, so it's not going to be that ridiculously slow, so it's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we double that in speed, of course, when we get to the quarter notes or the crotchets. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we do it twice as fast again. So now you get to half bars. Now I know this isn't necessary. This is a left hand exercise, but I think it's interesting to challenge yourself when you can do the intonation right, and when you can do the relaxation right, and when you can do your thumbs right, and your shoulders and your posture. When all those things are done, the difficult stuff is done. Yeah, then start messing around, experiment, make up your own little slurs, make it every 3 notes, every 4 notes, once a bar. I'll mix things up. Now we're going to do it 4 notes per bow. Yeah, and we're at 80 beats a minute. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now slur 2 bars. And again. Crotchets. Quavers. And we go on. G, A and B flat. 1, 2, 3, 4. Slur. A string. 1, 2, 3, 4. Natural semitone, C. And that's it. That's the entire exercise on low second finger, of course. Now we're going to build. We're going to go from low second to normal third and normal fourth. Yeah, so this is the full finger pattern with 1 and 2 against each other. Don't skip this. It will feel different. I know that third and fourth finger, if you've done the first finger pattern already, is going to be in the same place. But because the second finger is low, it's going to feel very different. And everybody has one finger pattern, as far as I've experienced. Everybody has one, they go like, yeah, it feels uncomfortable. So go through the motions, go through the exercises. And if you think it's easy, mess around with finger patterns, with bowing patterns or dynamics or things like that. Yeah. So, but don't ignore it. Good luck, and I'll see you with the third finger.